Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me bring the camera closer so you guys can have a bite of my Koki beans. Yeah, so Koki is a traditional food mostly prepared in Cameroon and also some part of Africa. It is a black-eyed beans that has been soaked, it has been washed, blended together and seasoned, put in the pot, and then it comes out this way. So that is what we call Koki beans in Cameroon. To cook your Koki, you need palm oil, we need spinach. In Cameroon, we use bitter leaf, and then you need your onions, you need pepper, optional, you need your salt to taste. Maggi is also optional, and this is the man of the show. This is the Koki beans. You have to soak your Koki beans for at least 24 hours, and then you have to peel it, you have to blend it. So I did soak mine, I washed it, took out all the skin from it, and I'll go ahead and put it in the blender alongside my onion and my hot pepper with my Maggi and blend it. So I'm going to go ahead and blend everything until the paste become like smooth and pasty. You don't want it coarse, it has to be like really smooth. So I'm still gonna blend it, and when you blend it, it should be looking like this. This is the consistency that it should look like. This is how it should be, how pasty it should be. Yeah, so I am going to go ahead and I will season my Koki. So I'll go ahead and add my salt to taste. There's no particular order in adding the ingredients. I'll add salt, add it to your liking, and then I'll go ahead and also add my palm oil. I did warm my palm oil for some seconds just to get that palm oil smell, and I let it cool down. Now I'm adding my spinach. If you have cocoyam leaf like we do in Cameroon, you can go ahead and add it. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it. My daughter is helping me. She's the one actually mixing. So we are going to mix everything to make sure that they all mingle together. Or the pepper, the salt, the Maggi, the onion, the palm oil, the spinach, the Koki beans, and you can go ahead and add your oil. I did add oil in mine because I like my Koki when it has a lot of palm oil in it. So I added it, and then I am still going to keep mixing. This is how it should be looking like after you are done. So let's go ahead now and tie our Koki. I'm needing a bowl like that. I will use a foil paper. If Cameroon we use cocoyam leaf, no, a plantain leaf, but I don't have it. And I'm also putting a clear wrap just for extra support and for it to grab the moisture and don't let it out, because your Koki has to be moist. You don't want it dry. So after that, let's go ahead. This is how it should look like. This is the final step. So let's go now and tie our Koki. I put about 3 spoons. It doesn't matter how much, it just depends how big you want your Koki to be like. So I'm going to wrap it. What I'm doing is I'm holding the clear plastic with my left hand in the middle, and then I am going to gather all the other remaining plastic and make sure that I'm trying to like make it into a bun. So that is the whole idea here. I'm sorry guys, I really don't know how to explain. Yeah, but if you see, I'm leaving extra space, and then I'll also go ahead and use the foil to kind of get everything together. And I am not tying it too tight guys, because the Koki rises. It is beans, and so it rises. You want to give it extra space just in case it has to rise, so it has space. This is how it should look like when you have wrapped everything. And so I've been wrapping. These are the ones that I did. They've been cooking, and I'm going to allow it to cook for at least 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. And after that, my Koki was ready. You can see how it is looking. The moisture did not escape. And you can eat your Koki with anything. You can eat it with ripe plantain. You can eat it with cassava. You can eat it with yams. You can eat it with any starch that you want. But I like mine mostly with plantain or with cassava. So guys, thank you so much, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.